Hello and welcome to an IT video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to access My Profile through eCampus. This tool allows faculty and staff to update their directory and personal information and review paid time off. Let's get started. On the eCampus homepage, scroll down to the Find a Service search bar and type in Profile, then click on the My Profile result. You will have the ability to view your professional information, personal information, and paid time off and leave. Let's take a look at professional information. All of your professional information is listed here, such as your title and department. You have the ability to edit some of the information, including your location, degree and certifications, and you can even upload a headshot. Your photo will be reviewed for quality and used for the directory on the website. Now let's take a look at personal information. Though you can't change your legal name, you can update your preferred name. Just check the box and add your preferred name. Your preferred name will be used on the directory on the website. You can view and edit the rest of your personal information. Finally, let's check out your paid time off and leave. This section lists all of your paid time off and leave. This may not be 100% accurate, and you should check with human resources if you have any questions or concerns. If you are a manager, you can also review the paid time off of your direct reports. We encourage you to update your profile when you have the chance. Thanks for watching!